Hello everyone, let's explore the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is not just any museum, it is a powerhouse of knowledge and a playground for your brain. For nearly 200 years, it has been a top destination for anyone who loves to ask questions. It stands as a tribute to one of America's greatest thinkers and inventors, Benjamin Franklin. This amazing place was built to continue his legacy of exploration and discovery, making science accessible and exciting for people of all ages. When you walk through the doors of the Franklin Institute, you are stepping into a world of wonder. The air itself seems to buzz with energy and the promise of new ideas. You can feel the excitement all around you, from the joyful shouts of young explorers to the thoughtful gazes of adults rediscovering their love for science. The museum is designed to get you involved. It wants you to touch, to build, to experiment, and to see science in action. It's a place where you don't just read about scientific principles from a sign on the wall, you get to experience them firsthand, which makes the learning so much more memorable and fun. The spirit of Benjamin Franklin truly fills every corner of this institution. He was a scientist, an inventor, a writer, and a statesman who believed that knowledge should be shared with everyone. He was always asking why and how, and this museum encourages you to do the same thing. The Franklin Institute takes his passion for understanding the world and turns it into an unforgettable experience. Whether you are interested in the human body, the vastness of space, or the technology that shapes our future, you will find something here that sparks your imagination and makes you want to learn more about the world. So, get ready to explore. The Franklin Institute is more than just a collection of objects behind glass. It is an active, living center for science education. It is a place where families can learn together, where students can see their classroom lessons come to life, and where anyone can have a fantastic time while learning something new. It's a celebration of human ingenuity and our endless quest to understand the universe. Prepare to be amazed, because a day at the Franklin Institute is a day spent discovering the incredible wonders of science and technology. It's a journey you will not soon forget. At the very heart of the Franklin Institute, you will find something truly majestic, the Benjamin Franklin National Memorial. When you enter the Grand Rotunda, you are greeted by a massive marble statue of Benjamin Franklin himself. He sits thoughtfully, as if he is pondering his next great idea. This incredible sculpture is 20 feet tall and weighs 30 tons. It is a powerful tribute to a man who did so much for science and for our country. This space is not just a memorial, it is an official national monument, which shows just how important Franklin's contributions were to the United States and to the world. Benjamin Franklin was a true pioneer. He was endlessly curious about the world around him. He studied electricity with his famous kite experiment, which led to the invention of the lightning rod. He also invented bifocal glasses, the Franklin stove, and even charted the Gulf Stream. His work made life safer and better for so many people. The memorial reminds us of his incredible legacy and his belief that an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. He was a founding father of the United States, but he was also a founding father of American science and innovation, inspiring generations to explore and invent. Beyond the memorial, the museum takes you on a journey through the universe. Imagine walking through a giant heart that you can actually hear beating. That is just one of the amazing things you can do in the Your Brain and the Giant Heart exhibits. You can also explore the wonders of physics in Sir Isaac's Loft, where you can play with levers, pulleys, and gears to see scientific principles in action. These exhibits are not just for looking at, they are for interacting with. You can pull, push, and experiment to your heart's content, making complex ideas easy to understand and incredibly fun. The adventure continues as you look up to the stars in the Fels Planetarium. Here you can lean back and travel through our solar system and beyond, exploring distant galaxies and mysterious black holes. The museum also looks toward the future with exhibits on cutting-edge technology, like robotics and artificial intelligence. You can see how new inventions are changing our world right now. The Franklin Institute does an amazing job of connecting the past, present, and future of science. It shows how the work of people like Franklin laid the foundation for the incredible technological advancements we see today. One of the coolest things about the Franklin Institute is how it lets you learn by doing. This is called interactive learning, and it is a super effective way to understand science. Instead of just reading about electricity, you can become part of a circuit and see how it works with your own body. Instead of just hearing about the laws of motion, you can build a race car and test it on a track. This hands-on approach makes learning feel like playing. When you're having fun, your brain is more open to new information, and you are more likely to remember what you have learned long after you leave the museum. These interactive displays are designed for everyone, from the youngest children to the oldest adults. A toddler might be fascinated by the simple act of pushing a button and seeing a light turn on, learning a basic lesson about cause and effect. An older student might spend time adjusting the wings on a model airplane in the wind tunnel, learning about aerodynamics. Even adults find themselves completely engaged, rediscovering the joy of figuring things out for themselves. This shared experience of discovery is what makes the museum such a great place for families and groups to visit together. When you interact with an exhibit, you are not just a passive observer, you become a scientist. You get to form a hypothesis, a guess about what will happen. Then, you get to run the experiment and see the results for yourself. Was your guess correct? Why or why not? This process of questioning, testing, and observing is at the very core of the scientific method. The Franklin Institute gives every visitor the chance to think like a scientist, which builds confidence and critical thinking skills. It shows that science is not just for people in lab coats. It is a way of exploring the world that is available to all of us. This method of teaching is so powerful because it connects abstract ideas to real-world experiences. It can be hard to understand a concept like gravity just by reading about it in a textbook. But when you are at the museum, you can feel its pull as you try to lift a heavy object with a lever, or you can see its effect on a pendulum's swing. These physical experiences create strong memories and a much deeper understanding of the scientific principles at work. The Franklin Institute has mastered the art of turning complex subjects into fun, interactive adventures that make learning effortless and exciting. The Franklin Institute is so much more than a building full of exhibits. It is a source of inspiration. When you walk through its halls, you are surrounded by the incredible achievements of human curiosity. You see how a simple question can lead to a world-changing discovery. This environment encourages you to ask your own questions and to look at the world with a sense of wonder. It can spark a lifelong passion for science in a young visitor, or rekindle a forgotten interest in an adult. The museum shows us that the quest for knowledge is an exciting and rewarding journey that never has to end. Every visit can bring a new discovery. One day, you might be captivated by the intricate workings of the human brain. And on another, you might find yourself lost in the beauty of the cosmos at the planetarium. The museum is always changing, with new traveling exhibits and special programs that mean there is always something new to see and do. This dynamic atmosphere keeps the experience fresh and exciting, encouraging people to come back again and again. It is a place that grows with you, offering new challenges and new insights every time you visit. It's a true hub for discovery. The mission of the Franklin Institute is to inspire a passion for learning about science and technology. It succeeds by making science feel personal and accessible. It breaks down barriers and shows that anyone can participate in the world of science. Whether you dream of being an astronaut, an engineer, a doctor, or you are simply curious about how things work, the museum has something to offer you. It empowers you with knowledge and encourages you to be creative, to solve problems, and to imagine a better future. The inspiration you find here can follow you home and into your daily life. So, I encourage you to go and see for yourself. Plan a visit to the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia. Bring your family, bring your friends, and most importantly, bring your curiosity. Get ready to touch, to play, and to learn in a place where science comes to life right before your eyes. Walk in the footsteps of Benjamin Franklin, explore the far reaches of space, and get your hands on some amazing science. Your adventure in discovery is waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more amazing destinations.